To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Got a call from your mom today that things ain't so good. She said things just ain't going right the way that it should. Way that it should. She said since you've been gone, it's like a terrible storm. She's down on her knees and she's trying to hold on. Don't know what's in her head. Maybe the things that you said. She wants you to come back home. Just not the same. Things were just not the same. Standing facing the mirror like a soldier in pain. Soldier in pain. Soldier in pain. She's trying to hold on to the times that remains. Sometimes it can feel so hard.
Hello. Money for the box. Money for the box. I want privilege.
With your picture in hand, she just can't understand.
1,500 for the box there. How me come? Why especially come like saying but feel like I beg me come as a come beg. Me have me dirty money, you know. Oh. Let me take this thing to joke thing. I don't know it. $50 more away. $50 more. Let me tell you something that today. Yeah. Oh, I want me win my money. Me know say 350 and 150 how much? Now 5 years. You're lucky. For the know I give a rum. No chatting with all no kid. A box become to play. Give me a hand, give me a hand, give me a hand. Haha. Me bombard. And then look at salt bartender.
What we gonna eat? Huh? What we gonna eat? Let me know what we gonna eat. I don't understand you like you're a big girl, you know how to cook. Why you come out and ask me what you gonna eat?
Sister, you know say me can't cook. Whereas me a short a bit. I can't go run and eat. So I can't get up and go about something.
If you get up and go look about something, hello, let me tell you something. You see, today, me have a whole heap of things to deal with. So you know what you're going to do today? You're going to fasting because you need to God in your soul. So all of you are going to fast today. Since you can't go on the stove, me worse can't go on it.
Sister, me can't do that.
So
Fasting?
yeah, fasting.
I want something to eat.
Help yourself, my love. I can't help you. By the
How
way,
can I help myself and I can't cook?
where's Shalian?
What do you want, bar?
That's
know if you are
all
style
she
already.
good for. But anyway, me can help you. I have a lot of work to do. So, I don't know that to go. Call what your man them fi carry food for you. Me have too much things to do with. See there? Whole heap of calls and something. Can't take none of them.
Say me say now get up and about some for your sister eat.
You see my face? I realize I'm not smile though. That means I'm serious. I'm meaning.
Say really want me go up and fasting, sis?
Oh, you're too fat and if you take off some of your weight.
Me can't even have my fat, me have to eat.
And you look at God in your soul. You want Shelly-Ann.
And Shelly I need God every day she have to itch up a bar.
Mm-hmm. Anyway, I can't help you. I'm sorry for you.
Why, sister? Every time me do I try to make peace with you in the house, you're always against me. Why?
Mama, I told me now I look about something for you if you feel like say me against you. Why would I against you?
This is basically every day something. If me come to you tell you I'm hungry or whatever, you start. Like, me not come to you about nothing. You're the other one. And I know me make you feel like say, mommy take me for the favorite. You understand me?
I'm glad you know say you have a mother. I know me and your mother. I
But
know
are
me
we
push
there
you
yet
out.
so? Are we there yet so? Mommy left you to be the responsible one. So you cooking and you do all of that.
Says who? Says God? Huh? Me? Do all of the cooking? Uno sit down in there and do what? Go to the road, go party and come back in drunk and so and me still have to turn around and take care
Because
of
you are the responsible one and you do all of that.
Oh, okay. Sit down and wait, me I come. Go and go sit down, me go look for something for you. Go on.
It's alright man, everything.
Yeah, Johnny. So when that's when we can get the 60,000. Johnny, today a Tuesday. Me know why you tell me not born on Friday. Better listen to my. Shut up your mouth, girl. Eh? Yes, honey, I'm here. Thursday. Perfect. Remember, so when I get it, wheelie wally, I like it, you know, so listen, Thursday. I you know, if you start coming already, so you can add on 30 more upon it. Yes. Alright, bye. Love ya. It's when I see big people on their phone attack, you ease off. Imagine I see me on my phone attack, I mean a defend something. You look on the phone, you know what kind of phone this? What kind of phone this?
An iPhone
iPhone what?
15.
Hey! This is 14. Where you gonna 15? Hey, let me tell you something, you know. It's the iPhone a Johnny buy. I mean, no one see you. You can run off my little client off of the phone. Where you come run and ball up my name for? Everybody knows I'm name Shelly and I load up
I
the
know
team.
who you talk to on your phone.
Alright, where you say I go on now?
So Shelly, how you gonna feel when Johnny find out say you have other man and I can't him?
Hello. I know for your business that.
I know my business is.
Hold on there. You broke down. Me ask you one question. You broke down.
Yes.
You see, that's a fear problem. You broke. Johnny and my feeding tree. So you, now the next fat one up there, so can't stop my feeding tree. So what happened now? What they go on?
You need to stop the way I just feel. Anyways, I need to start up some come to talk to you about.
Let me tell you something. You see, you America business is not my business. You realize I'm a different father from Uno? No, look for me. You see how my maga? You see how my face straight? For me, Uno face not straight. Uno face big and roll like a pudding pan. You understand? So listen to me. You and America business, wanna leave me out tight. Me not have time for that. Me have time for Johnny, cause Johnny a take care of me.
So Shelly,
Johnny a give me the money.
you can't go up there go talk to Micah.
Go talk to
I'm
who?
hungry.
God forbid you're hungry.
Yeah.
Eh? And that's why you have to come on the road with me, but you don't want to listen. Listen. Look at your face. Look at your face, pretty girl. Your face card never declined. So them your face and them your body and man they want to see. So what make you make me a touch the road, girl?
Shelly, me not the where you depend. Me not coming.
See how you that girl? Go ahead, go.
Because me not the where you depend, me an idiot.
So where you come to me say you're hungry for?
Come on, come to eat a Micah so you can cook.
You're lucky. I should that intelligence. I'm going to mix up some shit and piss and give you. Come on, me tell you something, you know. Look for me. Me a hot girl. America can never yet tell you, say, me come in the Santo and I'm hungry. I realize who is my best friend this? Rum. Me only go on like a idiot. Kill me. Kill you. I rebuke your mouth. And your broke mouth go dead. You know what? Just erase yourself.
Yeah, man, everything good.
Yeah.
What sweet you? I got sour. You
You
can't
shall
say my name
sour
talk
me.
to you.
You never hear about sour sap. I mean that nonsense. Hello. Girl. Me I talk to you now. Would I like to know what really wrong with you? Because you come like say, I look a sense fall head a fool. You sense fall head a fool? No, tell me now.
I'm here come find a man.
No, listen now, tell me now. A little girl saying hungry, which is with sister, our little sister. And you really make she go out there so and I did feel hungry. Where you want him to go to beg on the road? Yeah, look up on there like a smell under your girl.
I can't ask a question. You ever see me with belly before? No, me ever push out a child?
Hello, you don't answer a question. You ask me say if you ever push out girl, you can't pass cemetery. You know that too. Me and you know that too. You can't pass cemetery.
You and your little sister can't pass
Every
cemetery.
pass you pass cemetery. You hear the baby up in the man. Marika. Man, you realize when you pass the whole on your head, look how I'm all up for my eye.
Mama.
Losing a child don't mean that I dash it away. You dash for belly.
And if me did do that belly, a crime?
A crime, yes.
And a crime.
A crime.
But
That's why I lie, nobody pit me.
Listen to me. Me and the bigger sister, yeah? I'm no come go on like you want to control me. And that me I tell you.
You're the bigger one. You how much? You how much?
That not, you're supposed to know that.
You're 28 and me are 27. You're born 1 year before me, so what is the problem? What is
me
that?
still older than you.
What is?
And when you go road at night time, go dash away, well, your body, you come in here, come go on like say you want to come boss me. Me look like you me.
Girl, that is life. That is life.
You go take money all last night, you come in there.
That is life.
Go on, go breakfast, you look
me and you not have the same father, you see my mother. You can't name my girl, I have no flesh for your name. Listen to me. If she says she's hungry, all you have to do, you know, say she cannot cook. You could have just put on a little soup and gear and say, drink that. And then later on, Shelly cook or me cook. Why you just anymore?
Why you come in here and pick up fear? No, why you come in here and pick up fear? Why you one in the kitchen go look boss?
Okay.
You come from no.
Me no problem.
No, so you want go have fun, drink and do all type of things you want to do and come in here and feel like you want to come pass me up.
Okay, me no
you
problem.
You and your sister make a sad miss. Are we telling you to go? Don't ramp
I'm going to tell you to go push your head where sun not shine and grass not grow. Hey, me tell you something, you know. Let me tell you something. You see, if he go there and I'm do him, if first report me I make his fear name, I put it first, second and last. See I use anymore. You know what your problem? Let me tell you what your problem. Me know. To them, you see what your problem be now. You see, true, and she am my favorite, and it burn you. But me glad say, no pupa no my pupa. Because you see, for your pupa sperm and for your pupa sperm are two different things. For your pupa sperm, richer and nicer. For your pupa sperm,
and you're poor?
I be a mongrel bring out. I be a mongrel bring out. You a mongrel, she a mongrel, and me love she more than you. So you want a mongrel, I'm a pedophile.
Listen, I'm going to tell you something. You see, oh, you and your sister behave so on the road feet.
My only call me run back to them, you know. Mine lick them over because
If
I want to go sell them.
Hello, you need to go and take them
Oh.
up because night time and then me go use beat it on your head with.
Beat too.
So you need to take them up and tell them where you are.
Any day you feel like it, sick can't feel me, girl. You take up one of them back there one by one and come mash them in the night time. I'm show you something.
Come in here, jump
Listen
tonight.
to me, me no idiot. And some me chicken no.
Come in here, jump
Me
tonight.
no war on the rum. If a girl feel like she a go war on the rum, if the rum make she bad, rum no make me bad. So me now come in and come go like say, me and the rum and make you broke no back now for head.
I feel.
Girl, I take them and pull you. You're bright.
Pull
You know what? You know what? Hey, I don't want to let someone come kiss me. Hey.
Come kiss back from your damn dog.
Mongrel.
Like your mother.
Like how for mother? Hey, we have to see your mother idiot. We have to see your mother fool like how? What you idiot?
Tell about your mother.
Eh? You look like idiot, you.
Mama, we are come back.
Let's see you don't favor mommy. You don't favor mommy, no. You don't favor mommy.
Me favor mommy.
Me favor mommy.
Wait.
I'm not favor mommy.
I want to feel a jacket.
Me a jacket.
Me a man have round face and you a straight face and wrong pit and then give me
You fool like how? Then a pass for me pa. Me pa face straight. Look for me nose, girl. Our foreign people knows me have girl. White people knows. White people cry. Look for me nose. Straight nose. I'm a broke girl. You know see me phone a top of phone than that for you. I have iPhone 14 Pro Max me I use. And that's the way I use. The one that just come out.
That's why.
Who said over body? Go
Drunk
girl.
Right. Mommy, where are they? Because we don't know why you left me in charge with them two girls. Mommy, I can't take a stress and problem with them. They must stress me out. Me have too much problem, mommy. And everything I me wanna feel they do it. No, mommy, I want you come home. I'm tired of them. I'm tired. I can't take it no more. Mona wants something to eat. And me a whole heap of work to do. Pinky come in and cuss me about Mona. And I cuss me about different things. Oh, I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I can't take it no more. I feel like I'm going mad. Hurry up and come home, mommy, please. Me, I beg you. Take it no more. I'm tired. Charlie, in the background, I laugh for me.
Me never know a bad girl like you could have ball.
I'm tired of it. Later, mommy. Sick and tired of it, mama.
Away too long. Hello, I'm hungry. I feel like me dead. Like she feel like a bit. What's that? How you look like? How you look so? How you look so?
I don't think that I'm doing in a yard, man. Don't talk to my mother.
Your sister. Girl, talk out your mouth. You dumb?
Yeah, my sister, Marika.
Why you want America so? You don't ever at beef.
She my mommy favorite. She don't like me.
What?
Until I'm hungry, she do not want to get me nothing to eat.
But by right, your man not supposed to have no favorite. We hold on no her daughter.
That's a little one.
That not say she not supposed to. As she go wrong there so now. As she make you and your sister always in an argument. Because she not supposed to have no favorite.
What kind of friend this?
I lie. Just because me tell you the truth.
That is not the truth.
Anyways,
That is
where
not
your
the
mother there? How know she knows I'm damn hungry? She take too damn long now. And my belly a damn ball. Me can't manage this. You know, allow me other. I'm a
I'm not mad I'm really coming to talk to.
No for your mother. Call your mother, man. And your mother. Call your mother. Because she me away for how long. It's like a cook. She gone cook over your food. I don't understand. You know, allow me tell you so. Call your mother now. Alright, me have. What's your name again? I don't remember. What's your mother name? Go and go call her.
Mommy. Mommy.
No. Give me a second, man. I'm so sorry.
I know I say I tune the food
I'm
yes,
so
good
sorry.
do. Let me turn up so long.
I'm so sorry.
Don't do that
Enjoy
again.
it.
Now
Not
when
it
my
again.
hungry me cross.
Alright, darling. What's going on? What's wrong with you, baby?
Mommy. I'm tired of doing that they are there with Marika.
Marika just called me and I cry. And now you come. What's really going on one of the
My
hours?
hungry Marika don't want to look for nothing to me fit me. So you know I can't cook.
Oh, Lord. Guess what? Me soon come home. Me need to talk to the children together. Because when they work hard to make sure that we have a good life, you know. So I can't take the stress from me. You do not come at me. You can't wait till I come home you get some to eat. Alright, guess what? Me go look for something to eat then. So just sit and wait, okay?
Alright.
Soon get something to eat. Why me I wonder to myself if you don't really are gonna mad me. Jesus.
Yeah, Billy, I may show you, man, say food can make off the road, man, you see me? Yeah, man, you have to just make yourself available. It was a productive day today, man. You see it, Joe?
I tell you, brother.
Alright, then let me show you say things can happen, man. You have to just make yourself available, man. A whole heap more money did for make, man. You see the road are going good, man.
No, man.
Yes,
I
man.
tell you, say enough things are going on in my life, and I want some serious cash to maintain certain vehicles. Yo, for real, man, money can't too much, bro. You understand? I appreciate the fact that you allow me to rope in on the job.
Cool,
you know what I
man.
mean?
We go way back in, man. You know anything, man.
Respect, man.
Yes,
Respect,
man, every time, man. You
Johnny.
see me?
Yeah, yo, Johnny. Yo, it's on the show, my brother. And think next to me say, a money call this.
What you mean? Yeah, no, I think, man.
Yo, bro, yo.
Hey, we have some more food. You have to just available, man. Everything line up, man.
Good, man. Good. Cause I guess I know. You see, because I'm not try one different kind of lines, and I feel my lines that, brother.
Yeah.
9 to 5 of my thing, bro. Cause yo, sometimes I get faced in a dog. You understand me? I say, faced upon people because they go on like so they want to style you. You understand?
Yeah,
brother,
yeah.
alright. Watch this now. See?
Yeah.
Me, I work at Chinaman shop. And Chinaman go tell me, say, move that, move this, move that. Come here, sir.
I can't sound donkey, bro.
I say, hey, boy, you can move the box, yeah? I can't move the box where you call me. I say, myself, you're a man, my deal, wicked, bro.
Yeah, man. So, you know.
Supermarket and I feel, brother.
I know they turn, man.
Brother, I'm say one time.
Nerve, brother.
One time I did it, I'm hungry, you know, daddy. I'm there, pack up the juice them, and when I juice them, it's juice spoil. Me say box, the juice, I say, yo, I say chain. You can't give me the a drink after that, you know, like, you know.
Yeah, kind of good, yeah.
Hey, man say put it up.
Put up.
Hey, man say pack it in.
Pack it in.
I say,
Sure.
bad, bro. Brother, yo, right now,
So
me I tell you,
them
say,
go,
yo, man, set away. But anyway, still, you know, my general.
Yeah, man.
Realize, yeah, you run one yard run, so, you know. Yeah, run a yard, you know. You want to run a yard? Oh, yo,
Billy,
what you did, bro?
easy, you know.
What you did?
I tell you, man, I just want to day them, man. Cool, no, man.
Jesus, that girl named Shelly, boy. A nice girl still, you know, brown skin and, you know what I mean, and rated. You know, say, she started proper, that's all.
Shelly now really going good still, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, and she do a dig out cash, but, you know.
Yeah, sir.
I pray her still, you know. I don't really see me have me hype on fully, you know. But, you know, she's like the gateway if you really get into the link.
Yeah. So we are free, because, yo, I told them over there, and, yo, why don't look like I want church girl, where you just look miserable, brother. Like, you know, brother, like in a cuss you while you and she in a bed and make love. Like, you know, give him all two start to whoop. And you know, she say, what you do?
Yeah, like you know, just in a moment.
I tell you, brother, like you know,
she have a little half spirit for real, isn't
I
it?
tell you, brother.
Yeah,
But
Mona, me really heart is still between me and you. Show you, me I tell you, you know.
But Mona, I like it, bro.
Mona, you like?
Mona, I not really get talk, but you know.
Mona look like she's a more serious girl, you know. You know, Pinky kind of around, you know. So, I kind of, you know, it's street code, cause she don't really look like a no second down thing or no real thing she a deal with. She just dip on the money side for now, you see me?
Brother, I'll be boxing in play now and drink.
Then that may I show you, but you see she, you know, she's, as me say, she's a gateway to get into a link.
Mona really happy.
Mona me really happy.
Yo, brother, I tell you, if you don't walk, you know where you go already. Make it work for me. You understand? I say, because you know what's a regret of your problem.
Alright, you know what I go do. I try you in a Billy. Now you go way back, you know.
Sure, man.
I try you. You know what I go do. I feel alright. And depends upon the result. We know say, yo, alright, this not meant to be, this a fit, Billy.
That's
so unreasonable.
That's all like a plan.
Really, I share my main objective. Before I have shot and I see where no impact now go and I say, alright.
Yeah.
I set the link.
Yeah.
But to this somebody really, you understand?
Yeah.
So I make you know how I go on, man.
I mean, man. So it's the same time tomorrow walk?
Yeah, man, just link me, man. By the way, I come pick you up.
Alright.
Yeah, man, because, yo, food did it for them. And I love how you perform today. I mean, I like.
Yeah, man.
I see where you're progressive in it.
Brother, I'm serious, man. You say one time, brother, I go on like say, one come peel off that 1,000 off your money, brother. You ever tell the man, say, yo, I Johnny money that, you know. Yeah, deal with. And from I'm talking, so you see, he's on. Although I'm not nervous, I'm going for my scar. You know, I'm not peace of them, and I'm good.
With your Billy. You walk with your Billy. Tell you.
Alright.
Yeah, man, you're born for this, Billy, man.
Alright, so here now, tomorrow we link up then. See?
Alright,
just show me know so I can, you know, when I'm ready, you know, because I'm a boy, I get up early in the morning, I'm just say, yo, road. You know what I mean? That me I deal with. See? Alright, yo, Johnny, respect it up.
Yeah, man, big up every time, man. You know a thing go, man.
Yeah, man.
Baby, hold on to this. I need to have a serious talk with you. All of this, I know my fault, you know. Because guess what? You see, true, you have the asthma, I always a baby, you. And your sisters feel like you are my favorite. But I love both, like, all three of you girls. Because they would understand, you know, you have the asthma, so I have to try to make sure say you're not sick. But I love all of you, I'm a mother. I love all of you. So what I go do now, I go make sure say you go in the kitchen. When you go in the kitchen for cook, you open the windows that you don't feel hot where your asthma got act up on you. Cause you get big, my baby. You can't keep on a try to depend on your sister. Come me understand fear, frustration, you know. Because true, she's the more responsible one. I just feel like I put too much responsibility on her. Which me understand. That is why I need to talk to the three of you. Because I love the three of you. So you have to learn, you hear me, baby?
Yes, mommy.
You have to learn. So you go do now. You go back around the house.
Yes, mommy.
Please, and your sister them have respect. Okay? Alright, come go around cause me go back go work. Alright, my baby. Yeah, me soon come. Walk safe now.
Alright, mommy, later.
Alright, my baby.
Oh, mommy buy your food. Eh? You know say mommy really a break your bad for you. You little
When
girl.
me mommy about me bad.
So things in our house and you go mommy food shop. Go make she buy your food. And you know say woman not have it like that
But
already.
me can't cook and me ask you this morning.
You ask me and me push you out.
But I am my big
Eh?
sister.
Me know you? Eh? Who your big sister?
So
you
you are
go
doing
complain
this
to
stuff.
you and me your big sister?
Cause you might understand.
What you understand? If you teach you to go road, go take where you know to take. And that you understand. But you want you see lane round now walking God help you soul. And so box out the food out of your hand.
Where you going so?
Why me a going so? You?
You want back to me food that I'm answer?
When I get mad pan you and your sister in here. I gotta mash them out one by one. Watch.
Me not any problem with you. Me not going. Me not want the problem with you.
With me. You head bad color like a one.
Okay. So I say I do it.
What is sister?
I saw no plan for living a life. Okay. So imagine. You come and come sit down with food. A matter of fact, a small food, you know, a medium food. And you know, call me and say, Shelly, you want a piece of my bone?
I never know inside.
No, let me tell you something. When you something inside, eh? Oh, what do you mean by that? So you have man out there now, okay.
Which man you talk about? Mommy give me food.
So true, you have your man them know where you take. And then buy one food. Then you could buy one drinks. Which mommy? Mommy give you nothing. Tap tell her mommy when you see mommy.
And mommy give me food.
When you see mommy?
I go for mommy workplace. Family hungry.
Yeah. You see, you know phone style now. I hit me can't go tolerate. Me can't go tolerate for you and Marika style. Because you not live for all of yourself. And when me I live, me not live for all of myself, me live for all. But you want to take me as junkie and stack it on the road. That doesn't take me far enough. But me smart on the two of you, by far. You know see that? And now you come in with your food, you know what I mean there? So if you come out, you scoop and eat all the food. And when you come and tell me, say, you know what I mean? Get? No, you wouldn't tell me say you get no food. You wouldn't tell me none tall say you get no food. Me know you know. So me now, come and me come cuss out Marika for you. And you come go eat your food. Okay. I win 60,000 and $5. Okay, which I might give one slap out of my slippers about 20,000. You work for 20,000. Me tell her say me go up on the road. If I even come at the bar with me, and me put some for your box and make you try your luck. You don't want to go out, you want to live rent free, you're going to buy mommy. Eh? One thing look man where you take. You know get nothing.
No man.
If you tap text scammer, and you get scammer baby, and you get scammer lick. Nonsense. Rubbish piece of which me take your hey. I even feel like eating no food.
Me have a listen for me head seat me. Even my baby where you there, sir? Marika, you not hear me I call you? From down I get me I call you like you last.
I mean, did I call actually as a baby and I know some your baby.
You're my baby, not because you're a big woman now, you're still my baby.
Man, your baby in there, so where you go? We give food. You send one back with food, like you don't have two other picnic in the yard.
Me need to talk to you, Trino.
Talk to who?
Me need to talk to you, Trino. Listen to me. Me sit alongside of you, cause me not understand why you believe say me love one more than the other.
Mona, your favorite. So
No.
go on round to your favorite.
No, the three of una my daughter, and I love it three of una. Me no love no one more than one. The only reason why me take care of Mona more, but remember she have the asthma.
And so, me and asthma.
So you want to tell me say, and me and your mother, me no know say you have asthma.
You forgot about it.
You don't have no asthma, Marco. Don't call them no asthma for yourself. You have to learn to love one another now. Look how much you love me, show now. Me and you alone. If I'm no smaller, come up. So what you mean say me only love? Look here now. Stop it foolishness. Me need to get the trend together for talk to no.
Mommy, you know, say, me and Wally for work I do right now. Me not talking more.
Why me feel like you be disrespectful to me?
Me not be disrespectful to you. If I that you feel so me I do, then me
I
sorry.
need to talk to you three. Me love you three, no.
Jesus love you too.
So you get what tell me? Jesus love me, but you don't love me. That you tell me.
Me just tell us that Jesus love you too.
Stop with the attitude. But know you're grown and you're a big man. And me know, me feel like when me do wrong, me leave too much responsibility on you.
No, me and your maid. Me and your pitney them maid. And that me be.
Don't
me
say
not,
that.
Me and them big sister.
Do
So
not
pay
say
me now.
that.
Pay me for your work them when me I do for your pitney them miss. Pay me.
You know what me I go do? Me I go around, go bathe and hold her fresh and wait till you calm down. Me see the trail now and talk to you together.
When me come on, I give me my money to a year.
Why me I wonder so many times I have to wonder say, if you don't want to just stress me out and kill me.
Me?
The trail now.
Jesus against a lady.
You see
Go on
it?
round to your pitney,
You
man.
see
I
it?
come
It's like you
outside
don't fight me
stress,
and your mother.
Me?
It's alright.
Me put me on fire.
Me go give
You
you
know, say
time.
you a wicked
I did
woman.
not say that. I said, look, you give me attitude like say you don't fight me and your mother. Look here now, me can't say you're
No, that
upset
never
from
do
whatever
that.
happened to you today. Between you and Shelly and Mona,
The two
you're
crosses.
stressed out. So me I go give you a little time for cool off. Come I understand your frustration, you know. Don't feel like me not understand.
Mommy, go on. Me at work. Me
Alright,
busy.
me I go around, go bathe and fresh up myself. And when you see your sisters, trying to come around, me need to talk. Your sisters.
I'm here then daycare. Me then carekeeper.
Later, me I go around.
Money, you're putting our envelope and write America pan it.
Right. What me ever do in a life, God, what me ever do, me try with them pitney, yeah.
If you don't see a tree, body can't go on. Watch out! Marika! I couldn't tell when you see all you.
What you want to see me for?
I lie. Anyways, me have a bone to pick at you.
You have a bone to pick at me?
No, me.
As what? Who is...
Anyways, why you have a pick for Mona? What Mona do? What Mona do?
And who is you for ask me about why me have a pick
Who
on
is
Mona?
me? Me and Mona friend. You never hear about me?
Oh, so you push out Mona?
Me never see me push out Mona. But
So
you need
you
to
come
treat
here
her
and come
better.
attack me about Mona? Don't make her read out your diary out
Read
here,
it out.
young girl.
Read it out, because you don't have no secret for me.
Me not secret for you?
You don't have no secret for me. All you know is I work a bar. You don't know nothing else. And that is not a secret either. Because everybody know that. So what is it?
You are Mona liar?
Yes, me a Mona
liar.
liar.
Alright, come
Yes.
beat me ass. Come. You want me pull down my clothes? You want me
I don't want to see your body hole, because your body hole supposed to be full of hair. I say if you treat her better.
As well. If I'm
As your younger sister. Because you're the bigger one.
you shut up your mouth. Can me slap her if you lash them off your eye.
Alright, but stop you stopping now. Stop her foot slash. Hey, you better come go on the ways.
Me?
Come go on the ways.
So why you stop
Come
me
go
in
on
the
the
first
ways.
place and then you
You
walk out?
come go on like say. As
Lady,
your mouth-
control the white man them. Control the white man them.
At least me take white man.
Catch me. Me sorry for you. Me design your face out here. Like a designer book. Bright and face.
If I laugh, I pronounce.
Pronounce.
Design super face.
For your face.
I realize I just mouth you have, you know. And me not do the bag of chatting and action me deal with. So
Then come up in my face, run up in me.
Me I can't go about my business.
Let me number, come. My back broad. Come here. Your mother come kiss me.
Not any giant kiss girl. Go on your ways. I must post this cause all you feel like you're a hot girl.
Hey, are you the morning, not true?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I tell you today, come like a God send me to stay so. You know, say, I know your sister, them man. That's Shelly. Shelly and the next one. I don't know my next one name.
Marika.
Marika, she name. Jesus Christ. I don't really know her name still, you know what I mean? But my name is Billy.
Okay, Billy.
Nice to meet you.
What do you want?
Really and truly, it's like say, I don't know how to say it to you, but we just rate the spirit. Yo, me not lie, and believe me, it's like, I don't know how to say it to you, but I must say, me rate the spirit, me rate the vibes, me rate the energy and thing, and you know, me always see you and so forth, but most days, me just see a smile and thing, and I don't really want to say something to you, but I'm so shy, I know I don't see nobody up on the street, and I feel like, say, boy, I have to do it today. You understand? But my version of forward now, because I'm supposed to go to Japan. Same Johnny me I talk about.
Yeah.
You understand? But you look like you don't like him?
Me never say me not like him.
Oh, just because how you look a while ago. What happened, General? You ready? Me a far. Let's pass. Me a come. Father. You pass. Me a come. So, me see and talk to them here. As you say, my name is Billy and thing and...
As you can know, I'm Mona.
Take me number. No. Alright, see your phone now. Bring my phone. You're farming, G. See? Yeah. Man. So we talk here. So.
Alright, yeah.
So me see you. Here, mama.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, you see what I'm going to say?
You see what I'm going, man?
Eh?
Yeah, man, you see what I'm going, man.
Yo, bring me some song. Yes, I wait for you, G. Me look. Who me say? Yo, turn off the camera, dad. You have to come talk a little bit.
Yeah, man, I can't really talk, man, you see me? But when my dad tell you, say, no, now I'm going today, you know?
You mean what I'm going today?
No, what now, but I'm going, you see me? Like, my dad try to get your phone to tell us, you see me? And when I reach out, so them show up me and I tell me, say, yeah.
Today, nothing I'm going?
No, I'm going, man. And you are going, me call you if anything pick up, you know?
Brother, it's a long time there with me, bro.
No, man. I just say it, man, you see me? This is say, yeah, do, you know? I real life. So, yeah, I go down and so still, you see me?
Alright, so, tomorrow, do
Me call you, man.
Alright, if I saw you, if I saw you, boy, yo, boy, I don't know. And the day looks so brilliant and bright.
Me call you, man, you see me?
Alright, so we talk, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm a general.
Nice, my babies are here. Where's Shelly? Come on. Yes, what are you doing inside there? Shelly, I need you out here, so please hurry up and come out here. I need to talk to you guys. Wake up, Mona. Mona, wake up. I need to talk to you. Sit up. Come, Shelly, come. I need to talk to the trainer.
You can't money.
What's wrong with you? Why you always have a problem with money? Come and sit down.
Me can't sit down.
Alright, girls. me need to have a serious talk with you because I don't understand how I live so from what you know.
Mommy, let me tell you something. I don't in a talking mode because everybody know who are your favorite. So me no want no talking mode with you.
Marika, you're the big one now. A full time you stop act like you're the baby. Stop. Just listen to what me have to
stop
say.
act like me are the baby. And me I get baby treatment. Me get the worst treatment in this.
Marika,
So
what me
no
ever
come
dare
like.
for you say you get the worst treatment? Listen to me.
Me have to
Please.
take care of you putting them like me and me.
Please, just listen to what me have to
Who you
say.
take care of, girl? Who you take
Two
care of?
of them.
Shelly.
You can't take care of me, girl.
Shelly, come and sit down.
Which part are you expensive?
Me girl, me
I said the
too
expensive,
Marika and
you would have
Shelly,
that one
stop
out.
it.
Hold on there. I said the expensive, you would have a
Jesus
car out. You come
Wanna
here
all
and
to kill
come
me?
on like.
Wanna all to mad me? Come sit down. Shelly, come sit down.
Dirty
Sit
girl.
down.
Like you're clean.
Dirty.
You know bed from last night.
Shelly, oh.
You know bed from last night. You come
Wanna
here
go
and
kill me?
contract
Wanna want to kill me off?
See your beard, girl.
Jesus.
Of course, me bed. You go out last night and come in this
Girl,
man.
go wash your head. Stop using egg shampoo.
Please, me, I beg. Stop it.
Mommy, let me go now, mommy. You have one and pay your pitney over there, so no, you have one and palm.
You want me pick me to stop it?
Well,
Why you so rebellious?
This is a drunk around us, so you don't see now flying.
But tell yourself to respect your sister. Because if you don't have no respect for her, she not have no respect for you.
Me no want you have no respect for me.
So
None of them not no
Alright, wanna go make me
respect for
talk? I wanna
Shit
go.
in a plate.
Wanna want to kill me?
What girl?
shit in a plate. Calm down.
Jesus Christ!
Alright, talk, mommy, talk.
You know, drop down yet.
Talking make no sense.
You see you? Me I forgot talk to you different after me done talk to all of you. Because me not understand, and me alone, you know, see, you know? And me alone, they are struggling with it. So me not understand why you so rebellious against one another. Me love all of you.
And that,
All of you, me
That's
love.
a problem.
and that over there is the problem.
Wanna stop it.
Me.
Stop it.
Yes.
Jesus, wanna stop it, man.
I have some
Oh,
Shelly.
Jesus, dear mommy.
Shelly,
I want some upper.
you're the bigger one. You're the bigger one. You can't just
And your point
act like the bigger one. That is why me all. You see, you not understand.
No, you not understand. When me act like the bigger one, then two you going like say them my bigger one.
That is why me I say, if you don't respect them, oh yeah, but them are gonna respect you. You are the bigger one. That's
And
why I
them
always put
first
the
to respect
responsibility
me.
upon you.
Them first
And your
respect
sister them,
me,
you know,
and
and you
then
feel
me
look
will
all them and
respect them.
protect them.
Mommy talk now.
No, baby, it's
Shit.
Oreo. It's
Girl, you can't
Oreo.
be Oreo.
Lord Jesus
Mommy,
Christ.
What?
Get some water, mommy.
Are you cousin?
Get some water, woman.
Are you cousin?
Get some water.
You got water. You should get some water.
Mommy.
I know so you could have all. Mommy. Jesus. Mommy. Go get the water. No, you should have ball.
Go get the water.
And the cap. Mommy. Take me. Go get water. Go get water. Mommy. Go get the water. Are you doing?
Christ.
Mommy.
I see me as if you don't love me, you know, I'll see that I'm a drop down on the still a fight.
And that's you did that do? I prank me did that prank.
I'll me drop down on the still a fight. When I gonna stop this?
We never did a fight.
I don't know, kill me. For we sure not, we're not gonna live together good as sisters. I don't know, continue living this way.
Yo. Listen to me, man. Listen. Where there? Virgin, me there me gate. Link me right now. No. Me nah move from me gate. Alright.
Yeah, bro. That is going for a longer time, but you don't even know. You would have nice today, man. I feel like if we don't make a money today, we have play with the road.
Wow, me give thanks, the give thanks mission went cool today, though, you know.
Yeah, bro.
I mean, dog, we have to go continue with the operation. So we're going for Billy.
Leave one mess Billy right now. We just want to mash up the operation by ourselves. Billy don't know road code, man. And Billy, me don't know if Billy will catch on the work properly, you know. He can't help himself, but I feel like he must slow up it.
God. And you know, say better when the chair we do it, though, that more hand, it better for we do in a real life.
I know our best man. But say I'm a boss, man. I know our best man, you see me?
Alright then, bossy.
Man, you can't deal with it. It will take like extra time at least that. You see me? I will get in the next man or something another time.
So we're going for the girl there around, so.
This girl argument, it come like it's a curse for me. Everybody asks me what I go for the girl. I couldn't look on no one man. Yeah, easy.
I say so man, watch out man, when me hear me I say your scram me I come tell you back on me I say watch out man. We're going for the girl them, come on, we're going for you in that.
Set a link, that's all.
You can do that if you want.
Yeah, I know say that you look boy man.
Chacha.
Ball be easy, you know. Just want to focus on some work right now, yeah man. I'm not really lucky with certain things, you know, bro.
Nah, lie, I love how the weather looks this true, dog.
I clap down by 11, 12 o'clock almost. I work with them already. You see me? That me I think.
You see, at time for the dirt, you know, my father. You see?
Yeah, man.
Come like say you want all like girl them.
No, that alone, man. The quicker we start, the more work we have. You told them up there already. But so far, man, just go and start.
That's the right thing.
Yeah, bro. Body asks for girl. It's a great thing, though. Yeah, babes, so I go on. Yeah, man, me there in a lane, man. Yeah, man, me there, such man go and start work. No, man, me not bring him, man, like him tired and thing. Him can't manage work here. Yeah, me and Ball be alone, man. But him go and start still, calling me now. Yeah, right out of Mango Tree there, so. Right out me always park, man. Me there a little wait for you. Hurry up, you know. Alright. Yeah, man, just bring one for me, man. Yeah. So you go and be a style, be a crowd, but I'll go and catch you. I know, 9:20 already. Oh.
Hi, honey.
Hey, babes, how you going?
You there?
There, babes. Long time I wait for you. Hey, how long you can make me late for work, you know, be?
Me know.
Sure,
I
man.
can see you here and pull out.
Yeah, pull out it for me.
When you're ready.
Ready
But
now.
no, you're not ready now. I lie to tell. But
Oh,
so your money go.
you just talk about money so quick, man. You didn't even
No.
spend little time with me.
Yeah, be me know about me. I say, your money. What going for your money?
Alright. Ask you. Is that a serious relationship you want? Or you just want like, we just go and kick it, you know? Me have a back, you have my back. One and watch the other. Just let me know, I just ask.
Alright, listen, B. Listen. No, me's a street girl.
Yeah.
The streets belongs to me. Nothing but the streets. You understand?
Me understand.
So your long-term relationship we are talking about, this
And I
street
roll
belongs to me. No, me ask you one question. How the money go?
You just step on the money topic, so man. I could reason like, you know.
So without the money, who am I? Without the money,
We get
who
to
am
that
I?
man, cause you know say project soon done, you know we put piece of food that come in, you see me?
Listen to me. I hear a girl that introduce the full box drinks, sir.
Which girl? Shelly, calm down, man.
Shelly, calm down, wait. Let me tell you something now. You see the project where you talk about, project when you're in a school, I work on project. Me not in a school, fully done. Hey, and the money will come more.
Alright. We get to it now, but me just access something, you know. Me just access something else.
Okay, get to where you talk about.
Can we just have a conversation before we get to the money?
Okay, fine.
Alright, you know say, in a real life, me did already pick up a vibe, sir, you know, really, you know, nothing serious, you know. You see me? But I work with the flow because, you know, say, really and truly, I'm one and I did really have my eye upon. Yeah, man, I like her, man, and she more seems like she
No, hold on there. Which Mona? No, which Mona? Because we know say a whole heap of Mona. In the place, which Mona you talk about?
Your sister, man.
My little sister?
Yeah.
Hey, look waist boy, come like a chip. Your chip black sick. Now go see if I sick on me.
Shelly, where you going, sir?
What you mean by a money, the have your iPad?
Remember say you don't want a serious relationship, you know. I feel like she more, you know, she the more, deal with a more long-term thing.
Hey! Why, Father God, if you're not busy, come here. Hold on there. So you tell me, say, my little sister, you have an iPad. So what if me this serious? You don't still have an iPad, my little sister. Oh, so you're sick of me now? Oh, you're sick of me now?
Calm down your voice, man. Just calm down your voice. Calm down your voice. Because you just blow things out of proportion right now. You don't say you're not serious and I tell you what can go on. That don't mean say we give you things same way, man. We give you things.
Yeah, which thing? So like me a dog, want to feed the box food and them are no fling any local bone give them a thing me a dog. Hey, let me tell you something now. Let me tell you something, Johnny. Let me tell you something. You see, if you're going to have your eye on somebody else, it cannot be my little sister. It cannot be her. So
Why?
talk to me good now.
Why?
And when you talk to me, you better lower your voice too. Oh.
What mean by lower my voice?
Lower your voice, Johnny.
You go on like say you're more street people.
Don't touch me now. Don't touch me. I know
say
how you
point
touch me
for
too.
me, sir.
Yo,
relax,
listen,
man.
know how you touch me.
Relax, man. Don't you touch you so that.
Mr. Know how you touch
say
me.
brush arm to you
Know
easy
how
now.
you touch me. What you talk about, Johnny, about my
You
little
know,
sister?
say me not really do them something I do. Shelly, you know how you jar me out.
Shelly, when I draw you, can you come like a line and book, your pencil. Or me use the pencil, just draw you go and draw you come. I want a little thing them want draw you in. One waste man clone box want draw you in about joke.
A waste man you call me?
What you really do, Johnny?
Shelly, a waste man
Johnny,
you call
what
me?
you really do? Johnny, you only can make your hand touch your side, Johnny. But boy,
Shelly,
if I make your hand...
don't boy me up. Don't boy me up.
Johnny,
yo, me not like
make
disrespect.
Your hand touch me in my face.
Me not like disrespect.
Mr. Johnny, make your hand touch me in my face.
I will do it, Shelly.
Johnny, make your hand touch me in my face, so you see, Johnny.
Relax, man. Calm down. You're not done for me.
What going on, brother?
So long as you're rich, man.
Why sound like some important thing, brother, you know, say. Today was just a rough day, one thing you have to flat out and you know get through, but...
Listen, man, what really I want?
Eh?
What really I want?
Good what?
You will not know that about.
Not an idea, because normally you don't check me about some work business and
yeah, definitely. Me, no plan to work with nobody.
Mm.
So me, I plan to do my own thing.
Eh? But you know, so me I try wait for Johnny to link me up, because Johnny when he say like he may want to shout me up, but him saying gonna call me, because me and Johnny are working, you know.
Johnny stingy.
What mean stingy?
Stingy with money. That's why I do my own thing. I think the best thing you should do. Do your own thing.
That me I try to right now, but that's the strength of cash.
Yo, you don't understand. You see, Johnny, I'm advise you. But you're a call still. You're a call. Anything you want, you do.
Bro, make you say so you want advice now. How really I go on? Because it sounds like you know something what I don't know about.
Billy, the man, you better have your own place. That's all we can tell you. But me not on top of man for work still, you know. If you want to work for me, work for him.
No, but not that. Me want to work, but he no call me, no. But cause which day me talk to him, and he saying go pick me up and right there. So I see one girl named Mona, me I reason the girl, and right as me go check him and know him, man, I go tell me say, like him I say, he will show up me back. So me don't know how.
You know do your job. You know work properly, so automatically we tell you that. You don't know that.
When you feel say tell me exactly what I'm going. Because sometimes I know say you're a man, you know, where you talk things, you know, but you talk half a story and then you put half one next time and then you explain to me. What
Yeah,
really
that's
going?
how yo, Johnny's not a good boss. Them man they record bad. Them man they love beat woman too.
See, she might be the one since recently. Because him and Shelly there, you know. You remember Shelly?
Shelly a idiot.
Jesus God.
Shelly are the foolish woman to take him up. That the man they love beat.
So what you say then?
This is Shelly I go on like him. She a tough girl. Enough lick he get from Johnny. Enough lick.
Because you know, why I don't know. Because right now I'm confused.
What do you mean a pass, you know? And they in the car attack. Shut her a box.
Eh?
I don't know how I go on.
So him and she are there again then?
I don't know tell you, know. But Shelly's a idiot.
How I go on? Nah, man, this is strange.
You don't know what I go on. And you work with Johnny, you don't know what I go on.
No, listen, man.
I mean, I work with Johnny.
No, you know, sometimes you really get that people business. That's that I think. You must say, yeah, the man know certain things.
No. You're not getting that people business, but people business reach me. Me I run from him, but he catch me. Me I run, he just a run.
Boy,
You might hear him say, Johnny, where's my Johnny? No, me can't say where, she can't say where is in Johnny, I know.
bro.
Yeah, so I get. Alright. Me I tell her, say, start your own.
I feel maybe start one show. That's how I go on.
Start your own. That's how me I want.
Alright, so right now me I tell you this. You feel say you can assist me in starting because we need money. You can't start now without money, you know. I mean, see, a man where you have all kind of acre land and rate it and certain things, but you know what I mean? I don't know if you want me run some business for you. Because you don't know a thing already. Because me, as I said,
alright. Let's see, now let's in for the business. We're going to start. So you can maybe, you know, but well, it's kind of hard, but that's how you go.
Me not go dress like you, you know. Because I know say you're rich, but you're not dressed like me. You understand? So I don't know how you go work. So but I feel like I have to lose the chain and then sickness.
Not really, but you still have to work for Johnny?
Yeah, well, he not show me, he not call me, so I don't know how I go on. I have to live for this. Because he said to me, say, yo, don't call me, him will call me, because him know
you sure you're not chatting to no woman then?
As me tell you, me not chat, but it's like...
No, you go around corner, man. You chat to one woman, them are not chat to no.
Me not chat to none, but me ask him to link me up on one of him sister. You know, him I mix up, you know. Me ask him to link me up on his girlfriend's sister.
They say you gone wrong.
So them man carry girl feelings?
What?
At that, you know, say at that.
Johnny don't want nobody get nothing. That the money just want to sweep through.
At that I go on.
From girlfriend, sister to girlfriend, granny and great granny. He just want to sweep along the road. Try worse thing you go ask a man. Never you do that.
Alright, I never know that.
It was like if his sister, a woman, sister prettier than a woman. He not gonna hear that. Tell the truth. You can do that girl right now and his sister prettier and you gonna give it to me.
Oh, I get what you're saying now. That. You know, so that's why you not show me. Alright, so me now want to work for him then. So when we can start work then? When business can start?
Check me in 2 days time.
Not 2 days time.
Check me in 2 days time.
Alright.
And the business will kick off.
Alright, boy. Respect you, sir.
Yeah. Next time I ask a man about the woman sister. Don't do that again.
Alright, I real time.
Because if you come here and ask me about my woman sister, me go give you a wrong number.
Alright, respect. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
So 2 days time.
2 days time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shalian, how are you? I'm gonna cover your face.
Nothing not do me.
I mean, nothing do you, Shalian.
Nothing not do me, me say.
So, what we can...
Don't touch me. I care about me. Eh? I don't go on like I don't care about me. I don't really care about me. I don't love me. Where you touch me for?
Shalian, as much as me go on, but I can't talk to me because I'm your sister.
Just subscribe and free. Just subscribe yet.
Got a call from your mom today that things ain't so good. She said things just ain't going right the way that it should. Way that it should. She said since you've been gone, it's like a terrible storm. She's down on her knees and she's trying to hold on. Don't know what's in her head. Maybe the things that you said. She wants you to come back home. Can't understand why it's taking so long. pressure.